Now let's just see the question number 5, and question number 5 again says you have to verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial or not. And the very first part is p of x, which is equal to f of x minus of pi, where the value of x is 4/5, and the second part is p of x is equal to L of x plus of m for the value of x as nothing but is equal to minus of m by L. So let's just verify one by one that whether x is equal to 4/5 is nothing but the zeros of this polynomial or not. So let us suppose we are starting with the solution of the very first part. Let's just substitute x is equal to 4/5 in this particular polynomial. So p of 4/5 is nothing but is equal to f, or we can say the 5 of x minus of pi. Substitute the value of x as 4/5 over here. So it would be like 4/5 minus of pi. So 5 and 5 get cancelled with each other. So we get the answer as 4 minus of pi. So pi is nothing but a special kind of a notation whose value is nothing but 22/7. And we definitely know that 4 minus of 22/7, or if we'll substitute the value of pi as 22/7 in this particular function or in this particular equation, we definitely won't get an answer as equal to 0. So it means that 4 minus of pi is definitely not is equal to 0 for the value of the pi as 22/7. It means that the function for the value of x is equal to 4/5 is definitely not is equal to 0. And if it is not is equal to 0, it definitely implies that x is equal to 4/5 is not the zero of the polynomial. It is not the zero of the polynomial. Reason being is that p of 4/5 is actually is equal to 4 minus of pi. If we'll substitute the value of pi as 22/7 over here, we definitely won't get an answer which is equal to 0. So it definitely implies that this function cannot be is equal to 0, and if it is cannot be is equal to 0, it definitely implies that this value, that is x is equal to 4/5, is not the 0 of this given polynomial function. Now let us suppose we are talking about the second part, and the second part is px is equal to lx plus of m for the value x is equal to minus of m by L. So let's just verify the solution of it. So let us suppose we are substituting x is equal to minus of m by L in the given polynomial function. So it would be like p of, in place of x we are writing minus of m by L, which is equal to L of x. So in place of x we are substituting minus of m by L plus of m. So L and L get cancelled out with each other, and further we get the answer as minus of m plus of m. Obviously both the variables are same, having the opposite sign, so both of them get cancelled with each other. So the answer is nothing but is equal to 0. So it implies that the polynomial function for the value minus m by L is nothing but is equal to 0, and if it is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus of m by L is the 0 of the polynomial. Then it is the 0 of the polynomial because after substituting this value in the given polynomial function, we are obtaining the answer as nothing but is equal to 0, as it satisfies the definition of the 0 of the polynomial. So hence this is nothing but the 0 of the polynomial. I hope the question is all clear to you.